In today's project, I had some extra cherry, and instead of making another attractive cherry cutting board, I decided to try to do something unique. Please stay and watch what I did. Got these handles at Menards a couple years ago. I was going to sell this, and so pretty I decided to keep it for myself or for the wife. What do you think? Thanks for watching.